What we have here is a 1976 Meyers fishing boat, bass boat, whatever you want to call it. It has a 15 horse force, which I know a lot of you are Hoover fishers here in Columbus, which I am too. And I still fish Hoover with this motor on it. Have never got pulled over or anything. As you can see, there is no numbers on this motor. And actually, my 9.9 was actually bigger than this motor. So, it does look like a 9.9. It just has a little bit more power than a 9.9. Have never got in trouble though. It runs the boat about 20 miles an hour with me in it. I'm 175 pounds. Let's start it up here. It's going to be a little bit awkward because, as you can see, it has a big fin on the back. Won't fit in my bucket, so the motor's kind of tilted back. Alright, let's show you the rest of the boat. It has running lights, as you can see, but the pole ain't up front. It's in one of them storage spaces. Yeah, it comes with an anchor, 6-gallon tank. It's a homemade live well, but it works. Also comes with a top for rain cover or shade, whatever you want to use it for. It hooks to the back of the pool. There's a part back there to hook it to, and you hook it to right here. Let me set the phone down real quick. It has a seat with the back on it, which you can't really fish with the top up, but put the top down and you're fine. Has storage spaces. They're about 3 foot by 5. The boat's a little bit over 5 foot wide. It has a 55-pound trolling motor. Take it down real quick. Show you guys that it works. It has a fish finder that's not really old, just bought it. It's a Hummingbird. You have the different uses of the back part of the fish finder depth, where you can use what's on the bottom of the trolling motor. Brand new battery. Bought it in 5/15. There's a little seat right here. The pump for the live well, running lights. 2 stickers fell off right there, the P and the B, but not that hard to replace. It has a fresh paint job that I put on there. It's Flex Seal to stop any leaks as there was. I had this boat for about 4 to 5 years, and I fished Hoover with it, Alum Creek, Greg's, and East Harbor State Park up at Lake Erie. Reason for selling it is I need something bigger. Just gonna show you a little bit more just in case I missed anything. Whatever's in the boat goes. Also has a tip trailer. It's in okay shape. This is a very nice boat in the water. Like I said, 170, 175 pounds. My brother's about 240, and we fishing this with no problem. It's not tipsy or anything. It's a good wide 14.5 foot boat. It's pretty good heavy too. Also have the speed and the depth for that Hummingbird. Also has a bilge pump for use. Little trolling or fish holders, whatever you want to use them for. Can't really see the screen because of the shading.